This video is for all my ladies who always leave comments under my video saying, I could never get my wigs to look as great as you. I'm here to tell you that with the Myfirstwig unit, you can. It's simple to do an install. You can complete it in 3 easy steps and no prior experience is needed. If you're interested in learning more, keep watching. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Asia, and as I mentioned, this unit that I'll be reviewing in this video will be from Myfirstwig, and it is this beautiful ombre highlighted color wig. As you can see, it has a lot of different high and low lights. They colored it to perfection, and as always, it has the bomb lace that comes with all my Myfirstwig units. As you can see, it looks straight like scalp, just putting it on my hand. So I'm so excited to do this install, and it also comes with an elastic band, so you can wear it glueless if you want to. Okay, dolls, so now that I've thrown this unit on, I want y'all to take a look at this beautiful lace. As you can see, it blends perfectly in with my skin. Looking from the top, from the bottom, you can't even really see that I'm wearing a lace. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed with the first step, which always will include cutting the lace off your unit. As always, guys, you want to make sure and cut the lace as close to the hairline as possible without cutting the hair. And you can use a razor if you do it like how I am. Make sure you use it with caution, because you want to make sure that you don't make a mistake and cut yourself. If it's easier, you can use a scissor, as I tend to do when I'm cutting from the bottom up, as it helps me to get a better grip. Either way will work. And take a look at this hairline. As you guys can see, straight out the box, it's giving natural. Okay, now this step right here, this is totally optional, and with this particular unit, and honestly it's not necessary. I just gotten in the habit of using this spray for all my installs, just because it just makes it a lot easier when it comes down to completing the final look. However, you guys already saw that the lace on this unit is pretty flawless, so it's not necessary. Okay, you may not even see much of a difference after I put the spray on, but it does kind of help it blend in slightly more with my complexion. So for today's install, this is for all my beginners. I'm just going to go ahead and do this install using a simple Gots to Be Glue hairspray. So if you know how to spray a bottle, you can do this. And all you have to do is spray the hairspray along the circumference of your hairline and press down the lace on your unit. Then you want to just go ahead and grab that blow dryer and dry it. So simple, I know, guys. Like I said, with this unit, anybody could slay this install. Next, I am going to pull out a little bit of baby hair. Again, this actual step is completely optional. Baby hairs is always an optional thing. You don't need to do baby hairs with Myfirstwig's unit. As you can see, their unit does come pre-plucked, and it comes with a naturally nice hairline. However, I'm going to do some slight baby hairs. You know my specialty. So I'm cutting my baby hairs really short. It's not really supposed to give that baby hair look, but more of a natural, I have some loose flyaways along my hairline type thing. And I'm just laying that down using some of my hair mousse and my baby hair brush. Then I'm going to go ahead and tie this hairline down using an elastic band and leave that on for about 5 minutes, because that's really all it's going to take for you to complete this install. While I'm letting that hairline sit in my skin, I'm going to go over on top of the unit with my flat iron just to flatten out the top so that it makes this install very nice and neat. And as you guys can see, I took the elastic band off and the lace is melting very nicely with my skin. Now, because I didn't do a bald cap and I do have a stocking cap underneath, I did fill in that part in space using some of my makeup. However, this particular makeup, it used to match with me, but I don't think it really matches with my skin too much. I am on a hunt looking for something that matches a little better. Guys, the install is done. Okay, that's it. I didn't even curl this hair just yet. This is literally how the hair came in the box. So if you don't even want to curl, you don't have to. It's that simple. Now, you guys know me, I do like to frame any type of wig that I wear. I like to go ahead and frame my face. I just feel like it helps bring it out a lot better. And plus, this is a middle part. You guys know I'm not really a fan of a middle part. So with a middle part, it's absolutely necessary in my case. So now that I show you guys that this wig can be installed in 5 minutes, I am going to go ahead and just add a couple of curls to this unit just to make it look a little bit more fresh. And I'm using I believe it's like a 1.5-inch barrel curling iron to do so. Whenever you're adding curls to your unit that's long, I always prefer to curl the hair going to the back as opposed to curling it to the front. The only time I may curl the hair going to the front is when I'm doing the bang. And even then, sometimes, most of the times, I still curl it going to the back anyway and then just kind of comb it to the front. But I just think that curling your hair going to the back is the best way to give those nice fluffy curls and to have your hair laying beautifully. And as you guys can see, this is what it looks like now that I added a couple of curls. I didn't want to curl it out too much because I am going out and it's summer, so that means it's hot. Luckily, I'm in LA and it's not too humid, so the curls will drop. But guys, take a look at this hairline. It's giving very natural and I didn't even pluck it. So when people say my first wig, it's called my first wig for a reason, because it's perfect for beginners. So let me go ahead and turn around real quickly so you guys can see what the back of this unit looks like and see how the color really pops in the back as well. And for all my girls who are scared to try color, I just really strongly encourage you to try. Before I started doing YouTube, I never used to wear color. I used to always stick with black. And now that I've started wearing color, I actually love my color units more than I do my black units. So if you're scared to try color, go ahead and try color. This My First Wig unit will be the perfect beginner color wig. It looks beautiful on brown skin and it's colored to perfection. And guys, you know, I had to go ahead and do a little side part action just to let you guys see what it looks like with a side part. You know, that's my preference, but you could do a middle or a side part. The versatility is definitely there. And the density of this unit, I believe, is 130%, but it's a really natural density. I like it. It's not too thick and it's not thin. It's perfect for those who want a natural look. This is the unit for you if you are interested in purchasing it. As always, I have all the purchase links in the description box down below. But guys, before we get out of here, you guys already know I'm gonna need y'all help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted that name, will be listed across the screen. So those, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And if you missed out on some of my latest videos, make sure you go ahead and check them out and play catch up. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.